Hello people of YouTube, welcome back to a video. Today I'm going to be showing you some fidget toys I found around my grandfather's house. Let's get started with some squishies. And these. Okay, let's get started with these. This one. It's a sand dragon squishy. A sand dragon. And it's a really nice squishy. Really like this squishy. Next we have this green glitter ball. Next we have this Easter dough ball. It's an egg. So it's a Nido. It's a really good squishy. Next we have this llama squishy. Its head's a little deformed, but it's okay. Next we have this mesh ball. Next we have this little keychain maze ball. And some of the things I got today, you'll see in a minute. We got this carrot squishy. Another Easter one. Next we got this shark squishy. Wait 1 second, I gotta find it. It does something really cool. Lights up. I have to find the light up ball. See the little light up ball there? See, look. Oh, that looks so cool. The more you use the light up ball, the brighter it gets. So I find that really cool. Oh, that's cool. You can see it through the box. That's funny. Next we have, where is it? Oh, here it is. Alien squishy. And then after that, we have my favorite squish, the orange squish. I really like it because it's really smooth. My second favorite squish is the frog squish. The frog squish. Frog squish. Big brain. So that is the squishy. Put those back over here and grab the next item. Giant slinky. This is pretty cool. Wait a minute. Just gonna pick this up for a second. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Next, we have two poppets I got today. First, we have this dinosaur poppet. It pops really good, and then I got this yellow one. Do that 1 second. First, we have this T-Rex poppet. Let's start. This is the quiet side. Quiet side, and this is the loud side. It's pretty good. Next, we have my yellow poppet, square poppet. Pretty good. This is the quiet side. It's not as good as my T-Rex one, but it's pretty neat. And this is the loud side. This is just a random video I made because I didn't know what else to do, and then I'm like, oh, fidget toys. Yeah. So, yeah. If you guys want to see more of these videos, make sure to smash that like button for more random videos. And make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Boom, boom. As always, be nice, be kind, and fidget at random on. Yahoo!